Eubacteria means nothing but true bacteria, mostly occurs in everywhere. They also live in hot spring, desert, snow, deep oceans. Mainly, so many of them live in on other organisms as a parasites, and some are live in symbiote. Based on the shape of this bacteria, they are spherical, means we call it as cocos. You all of you know that. Rod shaped means bacillus. Comma shaped means Vibrio comma. Spiral shaped means spirillum. So next you come to the cell wall, means what? Eukaryote, that is eubacteria cell wall. The cell wall is consist of peptidoglycan, also called murin or mucopeptides. Next, in this bacteria, one characteristic point is there, that is infolding of cell membrane is called mesosome. Mesosome in bacteria we also called as mitochondria of bacteria, because the mitochondria is done the cellular respiration to produce ATP energy. Like that in bacteria, mitochondria and other cell organelles are absent. So instead of mitochondria, mesosomes it produce the energy which can use the bacteria. Genetic material of eubacteria is DNA, but the DNA is in circular, naked, or these are not linear. Linear bacteria DNA is found in eukaryotic cells, but in prokaryotic cells the DNAs are circular. Next, cell organelles are absent. You know the cell organelles means the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulums, Golgi bodies, lysosome. These are our organelles are absent in eubacteria, but ribosome is present. Ribosome is only present in the bacteria. Next, motile bacteria contains one or more flagella. If one or more flagella is there, then we call it as motile. Structure of bacteria is very simple, but behavior is very complex. So it is very important points. Remember that structure is very simple, but the behavior is very complex. Means it will come to the true bacteria. In group they show the most extensive metabolic diversity. It is a very important point. Neat question, they will ask bit question. The metabolic diversity, it is found in eubacteria, and some of the bacteria are autotrophic. You know the autotrophic means what the meaning of autotrophic? The organism which can prepare their own food is called autotrophic. So some of the bacteria they can prepare, they can produce the food for themselves, we call as autotrophic. But here again they divide into photosynthetic autotrophic and chemosynthetic autotrophic. But vast majority of bacteria are heterotrophs. Autotrophic bacteria is very few or less, but the majority of the bacteria are heterotrophs. They depends upon other organism for their food. Cyanobacteria, also called as blue-green algae, and cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous aquatic or terrestrial algae. Out of this, one of this cyanobacteria is there, that is, we can give the example, nostoc. Nostoc, it is nothing but it is consist of filamentous aquatic cyanobacteria, and it has outer membrane, one cover is there, that is gelatinous sheath, and some of the cell they modified into heterocyst. So what is the function of heterocyst? Heterocyst, they observe the nitrogen from the atmosphere directly observe the atmosphere nitrogen from the atmosphere and fix into the cell. And apart from this heterocyst, some of the cells they modified into actinides. So what the meaning of actinides? Actinides are nothing but hormogonia. So these hormogonia they can help in asexual reproduction. Next come the points here. Protoplasm. What about the protoplasm? Protoplasm is central colorless chromatin materials, peripheral pigments, chromoplasm, and the colonies and trichomes surrounding the gelatinous sheath. The thick walled actinides, that is we already discussed about the hormogonia, help for asexual reproduction. Sometimes what happens, some of the bacteria they can make the red color of sea due to presence of one type of bacteria is called Trichodesmium erythraeum. So here that Trichodesmium erythraeum, it is one type of bacteria. If it is observed in the uppermost layer of the sea, then sea is look like red in colors. And next type of autotrophic bacteria are chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria, which can oxidize the various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia, and use the release of energy for ATP production. So heterotrophic bacteria are saprophytic. Here one important point I just forget to say that in blue-green algae, the cyanobacteria, it show the oxygenic photosynthesis. So what is the meaning of oxygenic photosynthesis? Means most of the bacteria or most of the bacteria, they can't release oxygen even though they are photosynthetic bacteria, because they are using they are not using water. They can use the H2S, sulfur, other chemicals. But here what happens, this nostoc, we take that cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, it is one type of eubacteria, but they release oxygen. That's why it is called oxygenic photosynthesis. They show the cyanobacteria. Some heterotrophic bacteria, they are useful. We call as beneficial bacteria, that is LAB. LAB means lactic acid bacteria, which convert the milk into curd. And some of the bacteria also useful for antibiotic formation or medicine. And some of the bacteria, they fix nitrogen, that is nitrogen fixing in legume roots. But some of the bacteria, they can create the disease like cholera, typhoid, tetanus, citrus canker. That is a plant disease. Next, we go through the reproduction. So mainly the reproduction takes place by fission. Diagrammatically, just I will explain that the break in directly division, or you can say direct division, hematosis. The cell is divided into two mother cell or divided into daughter cells. So under the process of fission, or you can say binary fission. Another point they ask in that NEET examination. So endospore produce during favorable condition or unfavorable condition. Then answer is unfavorable condition. So bacteria undergo unfavorable condition to produce the spore. The spore, name of the spore is called endospore. Then sexual reproduction nearly by the conjugation methods. Already the diagram is there. You can just understood that how the conjugation takes place. Next, extra points are there. What the extra points means? A.V. Leeuwenhoek in 1675, he called the animal clue. Instead of this bacteria, they give that animal clue, and name bacteria was coined by, not discovered, coined by F.J. Cohen and Ehrenberg. And mortality in bacteria. See that here mortality of the bacteria, the divided into two grades. So